Can you subtract these fractions without making a mistake? Can you? All right, I'd like you to try. Okay, so you can pause the video and try, but let's look at it together when you're done trying. Okay, so looking at these two fractions, they are not like fractions, right? Meaning they do not have the same denominator. So for us to subtract them, we have to make sure they have a common denominator, all right? And that should be the lowest common multiple of 7 and 6, all right? So for us to get the lowest common multiple of 7 and 6, first we just look at this if it's something we could easily multiply. If 7 and 6 have no common factor, so there's no number that could divide 7 or 6 other than 1, all right? So no common factor, that means we could just multiply 7 and 6, right? To have the LCM, all right? So that would be 7 times 6 from our multiplication facts, that is 42, right? Okay, by now I expect you to have mastered your multiplication facts, right? Okay, so let's go. In 42, 7 goes 6 times, right? Because 7 times 6 is 42. So 6 times 6 will be 36. And then in 42, 6 goes 7 times. And then 7 times 1 is 7. So we're doing 36 take away 7, which is 29, right? So our answer is 29 over 42. It's the same thing done with our equivalent fraction, writing the two fractions like as like fractions such that they have the same denominator of 42. Okay, so we have to multiply the whole of this fraction by 6, so we times the numerator by 6 and the denominator by 6. So 6 times 6 is 36, generating an equivalent fraction. 6 times 7 is 42. All right. In the second fraction, for us to have an equivalent fraction of the denominator 42, we have to times this by 7. And so we must do the same thing to the numerator. So 1 times 7 is 7, and 6 times 7 is 42. Now we have like fractions here. So we could just do 36 take away 7. Just like you would do 36 apples minus 7 apples, right? And that will give you 29 over 42. And that's a final answer. All right? Please, if you have any questions, remember here. And also, like and follow. Bye.